Have you ever lost something so important that you'd do just about anything to get it back? What if there was a simple, affordable way to ensure you never have to experience that panic again?
Imagine this. It's a busy Monday morning and you're already running late. You grab your keys, wallet, and phone, but as you're about to leave the house, you realize your backpack is missing. You frantically search every corner, only to realize it might be somewhere out there, lost in the chaos of your commute.
But instead of panic, you calmly reach for your phone and open an app. Within seconds, you know exactly where your bag is, thanks to a tiny, unassuming device called the Apple AirTag. In this video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about AirTag, from how it works to how it can save you from losing your most precious belongings. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.